welcome back to Smart Kids Apps. Today we're going to be playing Sago Mini Forest Flyer.
Forest Flyer is a game where an owl flies around and explores.
Let's get right into it. Should we do the winter thing first or the spring one first? The winter one. Let's ring the bell. Oh, hi little birdie. That's a cozy house you've got there.
And it looks like there's a fireplace.
Oh, a squirrel.
Oh, it's a balloon.
Oh, I popped a balloon. The bird sounded like a chicken.
What does this muffin do?
It's Santa.
Wow. Down go the tree.
Ornaments. The tree ornaments, not the tree. Ew. That wasn't that nice. Yeah, that's not nice. Let's see what these do. Whoa.
That's a yummy berry. And it exploded into a balloon.
Yeah, like bubble gum. Let's see what this worm does. Oh, the bird's gonna eat the worm.
And the worm fell back in the hole.
Let's see what this does. This is kind.
That's water though.
It's ice instead of water. It's frozen.
Oh no.
Look at those little frogs. Oh, a train.
With the rubber duck at the end.
Let's see what this present does. Oh, that cupcake looks delicious. What does this do?
Good dancing, owl.
Yeah. Oh, that's funny. Oh, a swing. That's so cool.
That's fun.
Let's see what this polar bear does.
Do you want a lolly, polar bear?
That looks yummy. Ooh, what does this do? Whoa, fairy lights.
That looks so cool. And so nice.
More berries.
I wonder what these
Those look really spicy. Oh, little birdies.
So cute.
Just casually sitting in the tree and reading newspaper. Let's see what this tree does. It teleported.
That's a monster flying in the clouds over there.
Yeah. I almost didn't notice that.
Bye-bye, little birdies.
Ooh, what does this pond do?
Ice skating. That's so fun.
Yeah. I wonder, oh, he's doing it again. I wonder how he managed to do that with his feet and without ice skates.
Everyone likes hot chocolate.
Oh, I wasn't meant to go there.
And more skating.
Let's see what these mushrooms do. Ooh, that was quite a good song.
Ta-da! Good job, owl.
It's a bird, not an owl. What does this do? Oh, that's the house. Oh, I didn't notice this rock. What? Why is the rock? Oh,
it's a turtle.
Let's see what this does.
It's a nice little snowman.
With little carrot nose. Let's fly as high as we can into the sky. Oh, a balloon. Oh, the monster came again. and some little apples.
I wonder what's in that bird nest.
Oh, those little birdies are so adorable.
And they have nice little hats.
Oh, it's another birdie. And it's blue. Let's try out the spring one.
Let's go back to our owl house and try the spring version.
It's so cozy.
Bye-bye, birdie.
It's so cozy in the house in this winter weather.
Wake up, birdie. Hello.
Hi.
It's so excited to see us.
Oh, let's see what that does.
The bird is great at singing.
Yeah, that was a great tune. A very funny tune.
Eat the cupcake.
Oh, Santa again. Oh, a balloon.
It's a balloon.
Oh. It's teleporting again.
Wow.
Like last time.
Let's knock down the pine cones for the squirrels.
Oh, what does that pun down there do? Splish, splash.
Swimming is nice.
Yeah.
Let's water the plants.
Yeah. Oh, there's
No
not a lot
water's
of water.
coming.
It's raining.
Wow.
Well, now it's going to be really good water.
I wonder what these berries do.
Oh, I think it's small bubble gum, but orange. Yeah, I was correct.
Wow, that's nice.
Oh, a worm. Does it do the same thing? Oh, yeah.
Yep, it does.
What about that flower?
Hello, frogs. Bye-bye, frogs.
It smells so good.
Oh no, he's going to... Oh, that's not good.
Oh no, is he breaking a tree? Oh no!
We have to fix it. Or someone's gonna get hurt.
Yeah. Oh, the bird's really strong.
Hello, crab.
It's teleporting again.
Wow, that's so cool.
Let's see what this dance does. Oh, there's a different dance.
With the maracas.
Dance party.
Let's water this plant.
Whoa, that's so cool. It's a sunflower.
Wow.
Another swing. Look.
Wow, it's great.
Whoa. Ooh.
Hello,
Anything
little
special?
birdies.
Hi, little birds.
They're so cute.
Yeah. Let's see what this pun does.
Everyone loves swimming.
Swimming is great.
Let's go back to the house. Bye, bird. Bye-bye, birdie.
Bye-bye.
See you next time.
See you next time. So that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe, and make sure you also hit the bell so you don't miss any videos. If you enjoyed the app, then it's in the description below if you want to play it. I'll see you in the next video.